Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of Ozeino or Ozeino wireless gaming headset. And it has two features on this. First, it has you can connect through 2.4 gigahertz wireless with included dongles, or you can do Bluetooth if you want. Now, this is sent to me for review. I didn't pay for this product. It was a gift for me to do a review on it. But the box came really damaged. It's really banged up. The shipping box was good shape. It's just whoever sent out this thing sent me out a box that's really badly damaged. So let's open this up. Okay. Oh. The headset. So you have a mic. There's tracks. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge these up and hook it up to a computer. You can use it for PlayStation, phones, computers, tablets, stuff like that. And here's your clips for your package of charging cable, wireless dongles, and a 4-pole 3.5mm auto cable. So let's get these charged up and see what it's all about. Okay, we're all charged up here. So let's get this working here. You have two ways of connecting it. One through a USB dongle or through Bluetooth. We're going to use the dongle here. The cool thing about this is it comes apart. You can stick that in the bottom of your phone and stick this into a computer or a PlayStation and you're hooked up right away. That's what I'm going to do here because it's really fast to get it going. Just get it installed. I don't want any music to come on right now. You can see there's RGB lighting here. That's why you got your mic for gaming. These are a gaming headset. You got all your buttons here. Power button. You got the Bluetooth. 2.4 gigahertz. You got your menu buttons for switching songs and adjusting the volume. Okay, let's get this going here. I hope I don't have a copyright song here. Let's just get these on. Okay, you got the headphones up running with a royalty-free song. Here's the instructions. You need these instructions to get this set up properly on your computer, and the Bluetooth especially. If you're using a 2.4 gigahertz with VR, it will it automatically connects. There's no setup, it just connects. But read the directions anyways. They're all plastic made with foam ear pads. Put on. There's your mic. RGB. I can't hear myself. But they actually sound pretty good. I'm really impressed. It's good bass. I like them. They're actually pretty good. They're a gaming headset. So if you're gamers, I think you'll really like them. Especially when the lights are all down with the RGB, it'll look pretty cool. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick these up. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Thank you for watching.